Hey guys, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Profoto A1 on a Sony camera. Right now, Profoto only have made a Nikon and a Canon version of their Profoto A1. However, the Canon version, you can actually use it on a Sony or even on a Panasonic and basically anyone that has the similar hot shoe mount. So here we have the Profoto A1. So let's turn it on, hold this button, rotate this down. So what we need to do is press this middle button. We go into the menu, press this last button to go to next page. We scroll to sync. Here we're going to press the middle button. We're going to choose sync X, press the middle button. So now we have mounted it on my A7R II. I can press the button. So one drawback of using the Canon A1 on your Sony camera is that you don't have TTL, you don't have high-speed sync, nor have the infrared focus assist. But personally, using this for a few events now, I have to say a lot of those aren't really much of an issue. The only issue is sometimes I do like to use high-speed sync, especially trying to compensate for lights coming from the window. But the main thing is, yeah, I am able to use it on my Sony camera, but also use it as a remote to fire my B10 and B1, and that is quite nice to have this A1 for that, and also of course have it and do more multi-purpose things than just buying the Sony Air remote. But yeah, do note you can't really do high-speed sync nor do a remote flash with a high-speed sync. That's the only downside. And the maximum shutter speed on your camera would then be 1/200th of a second, because 1/250th you already get a line on top. So that was mainly it, how to use the Profoto A1 on a Sony camera. So I hope you guys found this video quite useful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below. And also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. See you guys the next time. Bye bye.